Moving on now, it's a deadly fire that broke out in Kolkata's Wow Momo warehouse, but the death toll in the devastating Kolkata warehouse fire has now climbed to 21. As rescue operations continue for the fourth straight day in Anandapur, cranes and gas cutters remain deployed while families anxiously search for people who are still reported missing. The blaze broke out in the early hours of January 26th at a warehouse complex that housed a Wow Momo godown, where workers were in fact sleeping inside itself. Now, the tragedy has snowballed into a political flashpoint. Leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari has accused the Trinamool Congress of grave negligence, demanding accountability and enhanced compensation. BJP has also raised a string of demands calling for a fair and transparent probe into the tragedy and 50 lakh rupee ex gratia for the families of the deceased. The Congress has also trained its gun on the Chief Minister, alleging apathy towards the victims and questions mount over arrests and responsibility at the same time. Now, the Trinamool Congress, on the other hand, has responded and pushed back, maintaining that the blaze was a complete accident.
Because LOP is coming, because BJP MLAs are coming, they have to be stopped. The true picture, why this happened, it will come to the forefront because all the media is with us. So that is the reason when Shujit Bose, the fire minister, comes after 36 hours of the accident, there is no 163. When Firhad Hakim comes, there is no 163. When Arup Biswas comes, there is no 163. But when LOP comes, Suvendu Adhikari with his team of MLAs, then of course we need to stop them.
I have received reports about that. I will study that, and certainly if need be, I'll go there. Depends on the circumstances, My visit should be able to pacify the people, calm them down.
ममता बनर्जी की एक मिनट के लिए समय नहीं मिली कि उस जगह को जाकर क्या हुआ या नहीं हुआ ये जायजा लेने के लिए उनके पास वक्त नहीं थी। उनके पास ये मृतक परिवारों के साथ मिलने के लिए और उन्हीं लोगों को सांत्वना देने के लिए एक मिनट की वक्त नहीं बची। और कहाँ वो चले गए अजित पवार की साजिश के बारे में, कहीं चले जाते हैं दिल्ली में।
ममता बनर्जी चीफ मिनिस्टर इतना बड़ा हादसा का बाद भी उन्होंने नहीं यहाँ आया है। उनका जो काम है वो बीजेपी कर रहा है, सरकार काम नहीं कर रहा है। बंगाल में सरकार नहीं है। बहुत बड़ा रैली होगा और प्रदर्शन जोरदार होगा, मैं खुद रहूंगा।